I'll pop a bottle off of ya. Chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Them always after Guala, yeah, and you are not bad. Deep, keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for it.
Familia, mi gente, mi raza, how are you guys? Robert with the HVAC, and welcome back to your Tool Lab Tuesday. What I have to show you today, it's what I have right here, and it's this puppy. Yes, it's the Platinum Flex by JB, and let me tell you that it's a very powerful vacuum pump. But I discovered something else that I think is gonna be very attractive for you to catch. So please stay with me while I'm showing you this. Check this out. I was going over the battery of our pump, which is this one. It's a battery that I guess we can say, in a way, that we're very familiar with. It looks like a battery that, let's see. It looks like a battery that we know. It's I'm trying to adjust to the gimbal. Hope you don't mind. Now, this battery that I think it's like one of the ones that I am very familiar in, one of the ones that I know. It looks similar to this one, right? And even though you might don't think so, it also looks a little similar to the yellow ones. So I was digging, I was checking, and I find myself a Phillips screwdriver. And while going over right here, let me show you, right here, I encounter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws that they're holding. They're holding this. There's two bumps that when this is on place, right, prevent right here, puppy. I'm right here. Okay, I think you got it. Sorry, illumination is quite crazy, and my thing is just following everything. Let's see. Here. Okay, I think. So when the plate is on place, the battery cannot fit. But watch the magic when I remove this puppy. This is the one that it comes with, and there is something that you can push right here. I want you to realize that end. You see that? So when you pull this right here, like that, or you can even pull it out completely if you want, not that you need to. Honestly, you don't tell me that this is impressive and that you are in love with the thing, I won't believe anything that you're saying. Guys, this is Robert with the PHVAZ, and I'm not inviting you to do this, but I think that it is something very convenient, the fact that some of the batteries that you already have might work within your new favorite pump. Trey Strong from California and from the PE HVAC.